here at Highland Hill Farm. We're going to be planting some green giants today. We have them in our liners, and if we pull them out of the sun, get them over here in the shade so they don't dry out as fast on us. And we're going to pull them out of the containers, and we're going to dump the soil out. We're probably going to reuse the soil and some other little activities we're going to do. And we're going to nest up the pots. But we have the tractor coming up right now. Has the tree planter on it, and we're going to use that tree planter to plant these guys in the field that we plowed and disced yesterday. So it looks like it's pretty good. We got a little bit of fertilizer in the field. We got some Dolominic lime on the field. We put some horse manure on the field. We put some extra topsoil on. So it should be pretty much good to go. And here's the tractor. It's got our planter on it. Looks pretty good. Tim's driving it. He's the driver. And we're gonna do it to it today. We're gonna get these guys planted.
Okay.
I'll get it.
Is that all we're doing?
You're going to straighten them now.
Okay, there we go. I was about to say, it can't be, this cannot be it.
You have to push the dirt up around them with your foot. You got to get more dirt around it. Don't kick the stem of the tree.
This video was produced at Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and these are our green giant arborvitaes. Call us for your screening tree needs at 215-651-8329.